everyone, I'm Gigi Mason. I'm a Rhode Island native and a 4-time Olympic gold medalist in the sport of bowling. Today, I'm here to talk to you about how to find an activity that you love. Before I got into the sport of bowling, I participated in many activities: ballet, tap, jazz, swimming, and the list goes on. Looking back at it now, I realized my heart was not into the other activities the way it was in bowling. If I wasn't open-minded when bowling was presented to me, who knows what I would be doing right now. Have you tried a new activity lately, like pottery or archery or even bird watching? Whatever you decide, know that it takes time to become skilled. At 10 is when I started bowling. At 12 is when I received the last place champ trophy. At 19 is when I won my first Olympic gold medal for Team USA. In between 12 and 19 was a lot of time, energy, and commitment. So whatever you decide, know that putting in the time and the effort and the focus will definitely be worth it. Seeking out help from those around you can be very beneficial. Whether it's a coach, a counselor, a parent, or even a friend, they can help get you through those difficult times. I encourage you to find something that you truly enjoy and pursue it 110%. I've been blessed with the support team around me, from my parents, friends, and even coaches. A way that you can help someone pursue their passions is by listening and just helping where you can. A way that I like to help is through my foundation, the Jazz and Mason Foundation, where we provide resources and opportunities to under-resourced kids and young adults through the sport of bowling. That definitely makes me feel good. If you're looking for more ways to do good for yourself, visit rhodeahead.com/take5.